Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use Kodi on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. Now we're going to hop over to the apps drawer. It's at the top. And I'm going to scroll to find the Kodi app. So the Kodi app is right here. I'll click on it to launch. And now the app is launched, I need to allow access to manage all files. So just go down and click on Kodi. It was not allowed, now it is allowed to access all files. So give it a second and it's preparing for the first run. So just give it a second to load up, and when it's done loading, you could begin to use the Kodi application. So it's downloading, Kodi is starting. When Kodi opens up for the first time, you want to ensure you have good internet connection. This is the first and very important thing. Have good internet connection so that when it loads up, you can now begin to navigate. So at this point, my library is empty. So as you can see, in order to bring in stuff into this or media that I can consume, I need to enter the file section and add the media source, and I'll configure it. So when this was added, I'll be able to browse the libraries. So as you can see, these are the different categories. I'm just going to head back onto movies and I'm going to enter file section, click on files. So you could add videos. This is where you could browse the various paths on your storage. So you just click on browse. You could choose to source videos from whatever place you have put them. So you have external storage, network file systems, root file systems, video playlist. So if you had an external storage, that'll be here. And maybe your files are under downloads. I recently cleared my download folder, so I expect nothing to be there. So as you can see, I'm navigating through all of this. You could access all of this as well and choose whatever folder you have your media in. So just click on that. Maybe you choose this folder and then you click on OK. There are 14 items on this list. Just click on OK and you could have that as a path. So I'm clicking on OK and that will populate the library with whatever content is there. So you could choose to exclude selected folders from scans and maybe skip file name matching for external audio tracks. I'm choosing to do this and I'm going to head over to the category. So I'm choosing movies. I'm saying that this is the content that's in that path. So I click on OK and I'll refresh. So if there's anything here, it's going to scan for it. It's going to pick up those contents and it's going to display on the screen. So if you have your things downloaded on a certain folder, follow the same process. Point to that folder and click on the scan. So you scan it and it's going to provide you all the content that is in there. So basically that's it for movies. You do the same for TV shows, music videos and the rest. Kodi just streamlines everything and put them in the same file. I'll put them in the same location, so when you come over to Kodi, you can just watch exactly what you want by category, like TV show, music video, or even live TV. So from there, head over to settings and you can adjust the file manager. You could add add-ons right here. Check available updates, explore your own add-ons and all that good stuff. At the same time, you can also tweak your media settings. So this will manage the media sources for videos, pictures, music. You can also adjust the music library and add the update option, so every time you start up, allowing this on will update your library every time you launch the application. That's important because if you make adjustments to that library, whenever you open the app, you find those adjustments registered. So that's the Kodi application. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel and I'll show you more videos. I'll go in depth in other videos with tutorials just like this.